Ever feel like you're learning Python but missing the real power moves? Like there's some secret code that top developers know, but you don't? Well, you're absolutely right. There are hidden tricks, shortcuts that'll make you faster, smarter, and honestly, look like a wizard. In the next few minutes, I'll show you 3 Python tricks that can level you up instantly, whether you're a beginner or already knee-deep in code. Don't blink. Let's go. Okay, we've all seen list comprehensions, but did you know you can combine them with conditionals and even use them to flatten nested lists? Watch this. Boom! One line, clean, and filters for even numbers. And yes, you just saved 8 lines of code. You're welcome. If your code still looks like a for loop sandwich, it's time to break free. But if that blew your mind, wait till you see trick number 2. Ever find yourself repeating the same function just to use its result and check a condition? There's a sleek new sheriff in town, the Walrus Operator. You just assigned and checked in one move. It's like Python's version of a power combo. Why write 2 lines when one will do? Efficiency is what separates rookies from legends. And speaking of legendary, this next one is criminally underrated. You've probably used f-strings to print variables, right? But here's the twist. F-strings can handle full expressions inside the curly braces. Yeah, you can call methods, do math, and even conditional logic, all inside one f-string. This isn't just formatting, it's Python poetry. And hey, if your name is 12 characters long, maybe shorten it. Your print statements will thank you, so now you know the tricks most beginners miss. List comprehensions on steroids, the mysterious walrus, and expressive f-strings. But here's the truth. These are just the surface level hacks. The real magic? It's in how you use them together, and that's where things get really powerful. Imagine this. 6 months from now, you're solving coding challenges in half the time, breezing through technical interviews, and maybe even building your own Python-powered app. It all starts with learning smarter, not harder. If this video saved you time, or melted your brain even a little, smash that like button. Subscribe for more Python tips that cut through the fluff. And hey, comment below. Which trick are you using first? With that said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.